What's up, guys? This is not a sponsored product, but it's gonna basically be a product review video. So you know what you clicked on, you know what you're getting into. My BMW's wheels and brakes have been doing its thing where it just gets covered in brake dust that you'll see in like 30 seconds. And I saw a lot of products online for cleaners, wheel, tire cleaners. A lot of stuff from chemical guys on Amazon seem to be popular, but nowadays, who knows? And I didn't want to trust the reviews. I wanted to try the OG Meguiars hot wheel and tires cleaner out myself. See if this works. Figured I'd make a video about it. I got the purple Doritos flavor, so we'll see if it's any good, and you can save yourself a trip to AutoZone or Amazon purchase. So this is what I got, and the directions are pretty simple. This is what I got in case you are trying to find it and looking at the directions. It's clean one wheel and tire at a time, obviously. Rinse wheel and tire thoroughly with water, obviously, to get it pre-cleaned. Spray wheel and tire with the product, who would have thought. Keep it about 6 to 8 inches away. Let the product dwell for no more than 30 seconds so we cannot let this stuff dry. Rinse wheel and tire thoroughly with water, get it off, and then repeat for each of the wheels. And then clean the wheels. So, easy enough. Let's give it a go. Okay, so I'll give you guys a little before and after content of this. We'll focus on one wheel at a time. But as you can see that, hopefully you can tell, there's brake dust. I tried to keep up with it a little bit with other products by hand, wiping it off, but you know, it's tough to keep up with this. So this is kind of what it looks like beforehand. Even on the brake calipers, you can see that it's nasty on the beautiful blue brake kit on these cars. So here we go. Hopefully this audio isn't too bad for you. It's a little windy out today. Getting into the fall weather around here. We'll just do a little pre-rinse right now and get it all soaked, including the tire. Alright, that's good enough. Now we'll get the actual tire cleaner. And here we go, 6 to 8 inches away, all over the tire. Make sure to really get in there and don't breathe all the particles up. Oh, you can already see the brake dust and everything, all the dirt or whatever is on the tire already start to turn color and melt off. So right now it says to not let it sit for more than 30 seconds. I'll give it maybe 10-15 more seconds to let it do its thing, and then start rinsing off. I got some on the rotor. I think that's probably alright. I definitely got some on the fender. That's probably not what you want to do. And now it's probably about time to rinse it off since the suds are starting to go away. So here we go. Get it off the fender there. Well, the tire might be cleaner, but maybe I missed some spots on the rims. You can probably see there in the corners of the spokes. It actually doesn't seem like he's doing that great of a job, but I'll spray it again. I'm sure you guys will tell me I'm doing something wrong, but it seems pretty hard to mess up. Get it in the wheel well there. I'm really putting a thick coat on here. Yeah, maybe the trick is rinse and repeat. I'll let it suds up a little longer. And rinse it off. Well, my rims were pretty clean to begin with, I think. So it doesn't seem to really be helping me too much, but I will give it, the tires look a lot cleaner and the calipers look good. So I guess if you want a similar cleaning job to this, then give Meguiars a try. It's not bad. Who knows, maybe chemical guys would do a better job than this. So if this video is helpful to you, like, comment, subscribe.